Deal Creek Marine and Campground, Drury, Weiss, Bullocksville, Tungsten and John H. Carr Reservoir. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Granville,